This is the Holzforma G660, a 92 cubic centimeter Blue Thunder chainsaw built as a steel MS660 clone, running a 25-inch bar with 3/8 inch .063 chain. It's known for serious power in the aftermarket world, pumping out around 4.8 kilowatts. But this one's been sitting in storage for 6 months. No fresh fuel, no recent runs. So let's see if she still fires up on the first pull, or if we're in for a fight. Well, move the choke up. Get her compression there. Good chainsaws. That one will do some work for you. We've sawed some big logs with that one. Check it out.